Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cook with Reena. It's always a pleasure to welcome my regular visitors and very warm welcome to my new visitors. Cook with Reena is a one-stop destination where you can find varieties of recipes across India and some global cuisines also. So please do visit my channel, go through the videos, and these are very easy to do recipes. You can easily adopt it. I'm sure you will love the recipes, and after watching the videos, please like, share and leave your comments also. And please do subscribe my channel Cook with Reena, and you will find many interesting things over here. So viewers, it's a lovely day and I'm going to do something interesting. So let's get started. Hello viewers, I have come again with my today's recipe. While making the Thai curry paste in my previous video, I told that I am going to make Thai curry also. So it's a vegetarian version. So I have made this. I have used colorful vegetables. Of course, greens are also there, and along with the bamboo shoot. So hurry, viewers! I am just going to recreate it in my kitchen. Please join me in Cook with Reena and learn how to make this delicious Thai curry, green curry. So, if you liked my video, please like, share and leave your comment, and do not forget to subscribe it. So viewers, please do join me in Cook with Reena. इन्हीं सब्जी से मैं थाई ग्रीन करी बनाने वाली हूँ. ये सारी सब्जियाँ ग्रीन तो नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे घर में कलरफुल करी सबको बहुत पसंद है, तो चाहे उसमें मैं ग्रीन पेस्ट ही डालूँगी, लेकिन सब्जियां मैं हर कलर की डाल रही हूँ. इसमें देखिए, लाल शिमला मिर्च डाली, पीली शिमला मिर्च, हरी शिमला मिर्च, हरी बीन्स, गाजर एंड थोड़े बैंगन के पीसेस, और ये है zucchini. So friends, these are the vegetables I am going to use in my Thai green curry. Of course, they are not all greens, but you know, I love colorful curry. And even my family members also, they love curry to be very colorful. So I am using all the colors: red bell peppers, green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, green beans, and some zucchini and carrots and eggplant also. So let's get started with the curry. Along with the vegetables, I have some tinned bamboo shoots also. This is bamboo shoot. I'll slice them and use this also in the curry. And my coconut milk is ready, Thai paste is ready, and the vegetables are ready. So here we go with the curry. So here we go with our curry. First thing, olive oil. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Generally, Thai curry paste is sauteed before using, but I am not doing that. I will saute it along with the vegetables, and it will get sauteed at the time itself. So first I am putting the tough vegetables. These are carrots, and the green beans. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes. If you have everything handy, it takes hardly few minutes to make the curry. Now I'll make some space in the middle and put this curry. 2 tablespoons of curry paste and curry. curry paste. The paste will get sauteed along with the vegetables. I'm not putting the other vegetables because they are soft and they will get cooked very fast. Paste is sauteed well. Now I shall add the other vegetables. Bell peppers, and the zucchini. Now some salt. And the coconut milk. These vegetables will get cooked in this coconut milk and water. I am putting a little more because it will concentrate a little. So you can see hardly any time. These vegetables are very soft and they will cook in no time. Hardly 5 minutes. So let me check the salt level. Wow, absolutely okay. Little more will do. Because not much, because this curry will concentrate a little. So I'll cover and cook it. So shall see you after 5 minutes. It's not even 5 minutes, but I can see the vegetables are already cooked. They have softened, so I don't want to make it too soft. The crunch should be there in the vegetables. Here it is. So it's done. Now I'll switch off the gas. It's done. Our Thai green curry with vegetables it's ready to serve with some hot steamed rice. So let me serve it for you. So viewers, see, the curry is ready to serve. So in this way you can serve the curry with hot steamed rice.